Hello everyone and welcome back to another video of website planning and creation. So continuing forward our learning on Divi Builder. So let's continue by selecting the remaining module of ours. So till now we have learned till almost number counter, shop, social media, everything is being covered. Now let us continue our module from tabs. So tab is a module which basically gives you an opportunity to create multiple tabs on a same row. For example, suppose if I select the tab, so you can see right now there are two tabs, and moment I'm selecting another tab, I can have different text inside it. Suppose I want to create three tabs out here, so I just simply need to click on add here and done. Now there's a third tab which is also being created. So you can use these tabs to enter different data inside it, like basis on your requirements. Something like some you can have a heading out here, and then these are the subtopics, and every subtopic is having a different kind of all statements which you want to write. So tab can be very effectively used if you're having some informations to be displayed in such pattern. Let's customize it a little bit and see what all options are there in customization. So on an average, the customization option is same that we find which was present in any other modules that we have earlier done the editing with. So you can see that you can select the body text type. If I want to select the tab text, I can select the color, like what should be the color of the tab, like this should be of red. Second one, if I want to be of brown, like this is the active moment it will get active, so the tab color will change. So the text, whichever is the tab active, its text, suppose I want that to be white. So as you can see, the moment I'll make another tab activated, it will turn red and white combination. Same that you can select the font and the font size you can select from here. You can have the shadow effect on the texts. So on an average, what I'm finding out here is the same technically, whatever contents I'm preparing out here. If I need to prepare a border, suppose let me have a border first a little bit. So you can see this is the border now. Right, let me make it black in color. It's too thick, let me make it little less. Right, and let's make it a little bit round. See, does it work or not? Yeah, it works. So same that we have these options that I can find out here is same. Box shadow, filters, filter in terms of the colors, brightness, saturations and everything. And animation would be the same set of animations that we have earlier. So this was a tab option that is present in the Divi. If you want to create any content that you want to display, something like this, so you can very effectively use the tab module. Now let's select the next module. So let me select the green icon. Let me make it like one column, and after selecting the tab, the next module that is coming in front of us is okay, so it's testimonials. So testimonials is again like you can have the image of the person, the name goes here. Suppose if I want to write the name as Kunal Jha, so this is Kunal Jha, and you can have his job description, suppose HR, so you can see the job description comes here, and company name and whatever you can say, like it's right, so it's appearing here. So this is the statement, whatever has been written in testimonials will appear here. And if you want to have your images, you can select the images from this column. Let's just take a sample image and see how does it work. Suppose I want to use this as a sample image. Right, so you can see the images appearing out here. And if you want to add like quotation marks, stuff like this, that this is one you can use here, or else you can even switch it off. But I would suggest make this quote icon appeared. Looks good. Right now, if you want to change the background color, so you can very easily change from here. Right, the earlier one was only better. Or if you want to have a gradient, like mix of two colors, like this is the one that you can use it. And right, fine. Now in terms of design, let's see, is there any new? So yeah, you can see the author text. So this is the text which is from author side. So I'll say it's like bold, the anchor text. Right, I'll say the default. I'll just randomly select any font size just to check. That's not looking good. I'll select some other. Okay, I'll take this whatever it's appearing. Right, so it's just again the hit and try. You can have the combination of whatever way you like your text to appear. Suppose I need to change this, so simply just click on this edit icon and you'll reach here. Right, I'll say this to be ultra bold. I want the color to be black and centrally aligned. No, this is not looking good. This one is better. Yeah, so whatever way you want all these things, you can very easily just design these texts and body text and everything. Right, and what I'm finding is almost the same options which is present in any module is even present out here. So you can have testimonials as well. Right, so this was the testimonial sections. Let's just now have a look on the next module apart from testimonial. You might be seeing these are the lot of options which is coming while I'm sliding the DV. So these are some of the extensions that I have purchased apart from the DV builder. Like this is not, these all things does not come by default with DV. So I'm not covering these sections right now. Right, so apart from testimonials is text. Text is again the simple text box options that we use to write any text. Right, yeah, this is one of the very good toggle option which appears in front of us. So what happens with toggle, as you have seen earlier in the tab, so all the tabs are appearing horizontally, right, one after another. Now out here in the toggle it would appear vertically. Like if you click on this plus icon, the text will get expanded, as you can see, and click on minus, it will get minimized. So you can add as many toggle as much you want. Suppose this is the one toggle that is being added out here. Let me edit it. Fine, you can see it's by default the state is closed. Suppose you want to add more toggle out here, I'll use this icon to duplicate. Right, so you can see this one is open. Moment you will open this one, it gives a very good effect. Like various stuffs can be shown out here in the toggle options. Like by default it can be clicked and even expanded. So let's just edit this module and find what more is present inside it. So apart from text, it's the state whether you want this to be by default open or closed. So by default it's written as closed. If you want the first one to be open, so it will remain by default open, and rest you can leave it closed. Even you can link this module, like if anyone click on the toggle anywhere, so you can get them redirected towards another link. And in terms of design is almost the same. Right, you can select you want to change the border size, text, descriptions, colors and everything. That can be very easily accommodated inside it to make it appear as a very good layout in terms of if you want to show some contents on your website. So apart from this toggle, the next module which is available with us is, let us select one more column and go for the next module after toggle. So after toggle, it's video. So video is again simple. If you're having any video, either you can use it YouTube videos, you can see it for a sample, it is appearing, right? Or you can even add a YouTube file from here, right, like which can be uploaded out here. So it is always suggested that don't upload the videos on your website. It will ultimately increase a lot of size. It will make your website very heavy. So it is always suggested to embed the videos rather than uploading the videos out here. You can even have an overlay images, just like in YouTube when you're trying to upload any video, there is a thumbnail that you can upload it, so that's called overlay. So either you can generate an overlay from the video only, whatever is there, right, or if you're having an external image, that even you can upload here. So let's just check whatever is in the design. So almost the same. The play icon, it is out here. The play icon, you can see it is in white. If you want, you can change the color as black, right? And if you want to use a custom icon, you can just upload the custom icon out here, right? You can see this is appearing, right? So this is the play icon that was appearing. And if I need to make more changes inside it, let's see, in the overlay means the text overlay, whichever is coming, or the background overlay. So right now, as it is a full width, so you can see the moment I am hovering over it, the background is going black, right, because I've selected black. If I'll suppose I'll select red, right, moment I'll hover over it, it's going red. If you'll make it transparent, so if you'll hover over it, the same thumbnail image or whatever image you have selected, that will be only appearing as it is appearing right now in front of me. In terms of sizing, you can select what should be the size of the video which is present out here, and spacing and the border. Suppose if you want this video to be a little curved, so you can just select from here, and you can see this video is getting curved from here, right? So you can make the edges curved, and almost things are same which are present in any other module. So this is the video module which you can use. And after video is the video slider. So video slider means you can have more than one videos inside it, which can come one after that, just like image slider. You can have the video slider. So here is the video slider, and you can see one video is already added by default, which is a sample videos which comes with the DV, right, just to make you learn. And if you want to add more videos, you can I'll just duplicate it so that you can understand how it will appear. So moment I'll add more videos, it will start appearing here at the bottom, and when you click, that video will come up in order to be played. Either you can make the thing slide here, or even you can get the slider from here, right? And let's say in the terms of elements, yeah, it's saying that use thumbnail track, means the thumbnail that you have designed for every video, that would be only coming out here. In terms of background, you can again select a background color or even the overlay, right? So image on overlay, like right now it's grayish color which is selected, so it is getting moment I hover the mouse over it, so the image is getting little darker. If I will close it, so you can see only the image which is selected, that remains the same. In order to change the overlay color, you can go to design, and you can just select what should be the overlay color. Like in the last in the video part, we have changed it to red or black or whatever is the hover color image, that can be done out here. So this was the complete module listing of DV Builder. So apart from this, there is no more options which would be present in your Divi options when you'd be purchasing the Divi theme. For more detailed options, I would be again coming up with a new course where I would be showing you all the remaining these stuffs of Divi, which is an extension of Divi builder, right? Like if I need to have this next, so this is next option which I have purchased additionally apart from the Divi builder, and even the Divi Supreme, which I have purchased after the Divi builder that I have done. So this gives me more option to edit more elaborated kind of things which is not present in the default Divi builder, right? So just to show an example, suppose I want a gradient text. Gradient text means the text color should change, so this Supreme is giving me a gradient text option. So you can see the color is automatically changing if you'll notice properly, right? So you can change the gradient speed and the gradient direction whichever way you want. Let me make this text little bigger, then it will be clearly appearing in front of you. You can see this, the images, it's now red, pink, blue kind of colors getting animated. So this is the gradient options which is present, and it is one of the thing which is present in Divi Supreme. Apart from this also there are many things which is present in Divi Supreme, which gives me a very more detailed way of customizing and designing and adding elements while creating a website. So stay tuned on this channel and of videos, and the next series of videos will be coming out with a gradient, and also I would be giving you all a link from where you can even avail a very good discount if you're actually planning to purchase these extensions. So initially I would always suggest not to buy these extensions. First, to get a master over the complete Divi builder, and once you have learned and you are able to effectively use the Divi builder, then only it is always suggested to purchase or have any other kind of extensions. So thank you everyone for this thing, and stay tuned, and the next videos which is in the list of learning of this website planning creation is about e-commerce. So let's dive down to the next videos where I'll be teaching you all about the e-commerce websites. Thank you.